Okay guys, my name is Brian, aka Busy, and I am going to show you today how to create a t-shirt in Canva. I've been in the print industry for over 25 years, got a wealth of knowledge on how to set up your artwork and stuff like that, and also screen printing, embroidery. If you've got any questions, you always put them down below and I always try to do my best to help you out. With that being said, let's get on to it. So now we're going to create a t-shirt design in Canva. So what we do, first of all, we just hit this button here, and then we go to custom size. Now t-shirt pattern size, you got all the default sizes here. You want to change this to pixels, from pixels to centimeters, and you want to create your pattern to roughly about 32 by 48 for like a jumbo pattern, let's say, for example, if you wanted to make it pretty much as big as it can go on a t-shirt. And then you'd hit create design. So once you've done that, now you've got this big kind of area which is pretty much most of the t-shirt, and then you create your design. Now obviously I am not going to show you how to make a design from the ground up. I'm pretty sure most of you just want to know the sort of specifications on how to do it properly. So let's say we throw this design in here. Let's say we go to somewhere on Canva. Now I'm normally a Photoshop person, but Canva is a very good piece of kit if you're starting out. You can create the world of sort of designs on here and use them for your creations. So let's say you wanted a picture of a, I don't know, cat. You grab your picture, you've got a cat here, and you needed that cat now for your t-shirt, and you just wanted to call it, say for example, Kitty. So you go to your text, so you've got some cool little texts here that you can use and stuff like that if you wanted to. Let's just put something here, for example, because the main thing here is showing you how to export now, because exporting is where people go wrong. Because a lot of people, they use the basic version of Canva and it's great for designing, but when it comes down to actually exporting it and using it for something that you're going to print on a shirt, you want to get it as big and as high quality as possible, and obviously you don't want this background here. So what you do is you hit share, and then you go download, and then what you need to do is get this size and put it as big as you can possibly get it. That will give you the best quality, and you want to go for the PNG suggested there and tick transparent background, and then hit the download button, and then that will download. Now you may need to upgrade to premium, but trust me, it's worth it. And as you can see, this file size is now 18 megabytes in size. Now let's say I didn't do that and I just went with the standard version, it would probably be not good enough for quality, good quality on the t-shirt. And we hit that download. Look, if you go to here now, look what happens. So we go to our download folder now, and you'll see the two logos. One of them is really tiny and the other one is really big. You can see this one's only 2 megabyte, which might be still usable, but this is the ultimate quality version that you could use, and it won't pixelate on you. So there you have it, guys. If you've got any questions, pop it down below. Check out my website, www.eastlondonprinters.com, not eastlondonprinter.co.uk, who's an imposter site, just eastlondonprinters.com. Alright guys, take care, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace out.